Important properties. What are the important properties in AP series means? If each term of an AP is adding or subtracting or divided or multiplied a non-zero number, then the resulting sequence is also an AP series. For suppose I will take that 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. This is AP series. This is AP series. In this series, I am going to add each and every term particular constant. For suppose I am going to add 2. What happens? See, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 and so on. This is also AP series or not? How we know that it is AP series? Difference between a term and preceding term. 5 minus 3, 7 minus 5, 9 minus 7. What is that? 2. Same constant. Here also 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. We are getting same constant or not? So 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are in AP series. Each term I am added particular constant. Each term. Now the resulting series is also AP. Are you understood? Right. So important properties in arithmetic progression. If each term of an AP is added or subtracted or multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number, then the resulting series is also an AP series. Now I will write one example, then you will understand. If A1, so now I am taking sequence. Here I am written series, sequence or series, anyone. A1, A2, A3 and so on. AN are in AP. Now each and every term I am going to add particular constant K. A1 plus K, A2 plus K, A3 plus K and so on. AN plus K is also an AP, arithmetic progression. So each and every time, every term I am added K. If you are subtracted each and every term K, the resulting series is also AP only. Now I am going to second point. Each and every term multiplied with K, KA1, KA2, KA3 and so on, KAN is also an AP series. Now third property, there is fourth property, A1 divided by K, A2 divided by K, A3 divided by K and so on, AN divided by K. Each and every term divide with same non-zero constant. If denominator 0 means that is cannot be defined. That's why I am mentioned here non-zero. Okay. So the resulting series is also AP. Now I am going to second property, important property. If if A1, A2, A3 and so on, an minus 1 comma an are in arithmetic progression, then the sum of first and last term is equal to the sum of starting to second term ending to second term, that is a2 plus an minus 1, that is equal to starting to third term ending to third term an minus 2. Those are equal. Those are equal. So see one example. See one example. For suppose 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are in AP series. Now the sum of first term plus last term, that is equal to the sum of starting second term plus ending to second term, that is equal to 5 plus 9. What about this value? It is 14 or not? In middle 7 is there extra, so that is leave it. Are you understood the property? So the series or sequence it is in AP series means the sum of first term and last term is equal to starting to second term ending to second term, that is equal to starting to third term plus ending to third term, like that. Next I am going to third property. This is also important property in arithmetic progression. If a1, a2, a3 and so on an and b1, b2, b3 and so on bn are two APs, two arithmetic progressions, then the first property is a1 plus b1 comma a2 plus b2 comma a3 plus b3 comma and so on an plus bn is also AP only, is also AP. So I am added the corresponding elements of both the series. If you can subtract, the resulting series is also AP only. Okay. Now, if the corresponding elements you are multiplied a1, b1, a2, b2,